Most of us have a long-standing goal to read more books, but the reality is that only about 10% of the population actually reads more than one book per month, let alone 50 books in a year. Despite the increasing popularity of speed reading apps and techniques, the answer lies not in reading faster, but in adopting a holistic system that combines strategic reading, efficient note-taking, and effective organization. The key to reading 50 books a year is to focus on quality over quantity. It's not about forcing yourself to read more, but about creating a sustainable reading habit that allows you to absorb and retain more information from each book. This is where the Pomodoro 52 system comes in, a simple yet powerful method that enables you to read more, retain more, and enjoy the process. To set up the Pomodoro 52 system, you'll need to start by dedicating a specific time slot each day to reading. This can be as little as 15 minutes or as much as an hour, depending on your schedule.